Hello, Nishima.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Happy New Year.
So yeah, thank you, and to you too. So how was your New Year? How was SBS celebrating their New Year?
No celebrations, just sitting at home watching all the New Year programs that comes as year enders. So nothing, just chilled at home, बहुत सारे programs देखे, खाना खाया, मस्ती की. Partying for me basically.
Okay.
पार्टी करना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता.
बस आप तो वैसे हर बार जा के इंटरव्यूज पे पार्टी में, I'm sure you must be tired of partying again.
And plus you want your own time.
Correct.
आपको अपना time चाहिए. So New Year's was just very boring. No, but not boring for me, but boring for others. Sitting at home is very boring for them, not for me. I was happy.
Right. So आजकल क्या हो रहा है निशिमा? क्या चटपटी बातें, चटपटी juicy news, anything?
Nothing. Yeah, we have been trying. अब बहुत try कर रहे हैं. हितेन को रोज कॉल कर रहे हैं almost.
अच्छा.
कुछ पूजा है उनकी, उसके बाद ही अपने ट्विंस से मिला पाएंगे. बट अभी श्योर की वो सबसे पहले सार्थोस आविष्कार ही दिखेंगे उनके ट्विंस. उनका जो ग्रैंड एंट्री होगा टेलीविजन पे, वो हमारे शो पर ही
प्रीमियर होगा ना, पक्का.
Let's see when, but we are trying our level best.
Good.
Because God is a little superstitious about,
Yes.
showing the kids on screen right now. We'll do it after some time, maybe.
Yes.
When she's fine with it.
Correct. Yeah, they want to take their time, I think so, and all that. So yeah, we will wait. And I know, of course, Hiten has been so supportive of not only Saas Bahu or Sazish. He's so friendly to all his fans, and we are all waiting to see him back on screen, and we really wish something lovely comes out for him, and we believe that it will come.
Reading his blog, let me share this with you. I was reading his blog, and he mentioned somewhere still auditioning. With a star like him, auditions come very, very surprisingly. He still has to give the auditions and stuff, but he has no problems giving them.
Yes.
And it is so sweet of him because his foot is, उनके पैर जमीन पर हैं और जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं. He reminds me of Amir. I don't know for what reason.
अच्छा.
Amir is also the same. He never. अपने फैंस को कभी भी वो नजरअंदाज नहीं करते हैं. So I can proudly say we have another Amir on television now.
Yes, he is a wonderful person, Nishima. I'll totally agree with you. एक फैन का बर्थडे याद रखते हैं, उनको विश करते हैं अपनी तरफ से. And जब भी मैं भी फोन करती हूँ, वो ना, if he's not able to pick up, he'll text me saying that अभी करो, sorry I couldn't pick up then. I mean, he is an absolute amazing person. इतने बड़े स्टार होकर भी ना,
बहुत कुछ अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि अच्छे लोगों के हमेशा अच्छा होता है. And it will happen very, very soon.
Yes,
this is just a struggling phase, और वो भी जल्दी से जल्दी बीत जाएगा, because he is such a popular actor.
Yes.
And ये सारे producers भी जानते हैं.
हाँ, वो तो है. अच्छा, अब तो moving on, Nishima, from Hiten, next one is I want to talk to you about Dil Mil Gaye and the new interns.
I want to know from all you guys, are you liking the new interns?
We are loving them.
Came back.
Yes, we are loving them. We are loving them to the core. I mean, अभी तो हम नए जोड़ी का नाम भी रख दिया. We are calling them Jeran, Jennifer and Karan Wahi का जोड़ी जो है, इतना बढ़िया है, इतना fantastic chemistry है उन दोनों का. Just loving them.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
जब डॉक्टर हिदेमा वापस आई थी, that's why I got to know कि, और सारे मेल्स जो मुझे फेसबुक पे आते हैं, मुझे आज पर्सनली रिप्लाई टू एवरीबडी, जो भी मेरे को मेल करता है फेसबुक पे या और कुछ जो भी ट्रैक करता है. So everybody says that they don't want to see, they want to only see Jennifer and KSJ. No, it's wrong. I mean, maybe some of them want to see, but many of their fan club is increasing like anything. इन पे इतना हो रहा है, fan बन गया. Jeran उनको बुला रहे हैं, नहीं तो सिद्धिमा करके बुला रहे हैं. I think they
I mean, look very good together. दोनों का chocolatey सा face जो है and all that. And I think they are rocking, man. They are absolutely rocking. So you need you need to go to the sets and take them. And of course, we love the Yuvna जोड़ी too. जो Dr. Yuvi और Dr. Naina का, उनका भी कितना हटके है. I mean, Dr. युवराज तो मैं तो पूरा लट्टू.
But he reminds me of KFG. I don't know for what reason, because of the lenses or what, I don't know.
Maybe.
And he reminds me of Karan. I don't know why.
No, I don't think so.
Lenses and with the type of shirt he's wearing, double this thing, and he's opening his buttons aage se, and the same thing that Karan did when he was in DMZ. So like that. So,
I don't know.
So weird reason वो थोड़ा सा crazy जैसा लगा.
मुझे तो बिल्कुल
आने लगा कि कहीं ये KFG मतलब this one Arman ही तो नहीं, because he plastic surgery, everything is possible, na? So I just was getting these strange this thing कि कहीं ये वही तो नहीं है, अरमान तो नहीं है.
नहीं, I thought on the contrary actually, निशिमा, मुझे तो बिल्कुल हटके लगे, because normally आजकल तो सारे all of them fair and like complexioned and pale complexion, ये कम से कम थोड़ा सांवले से, and he is looking so much more different, and he is doing a very grey shade at the moment, complete grey shade. He is not doing a positive role, at least for the time being. I'm sure things change. But he is like, I mean, his expressions and his are like very, I mean, just absolutely love him कि हम लोग लड़ रहे हैं सारे फोरम की, नहीं मैं उनकी पत्नी हूँ करके.
Oh God.
तो प्लीज आप उन दोनों का लेना, जेरान एंड युवना, हम तो बिल्कुल लट्टू. And then we are so glad that DMGs in fact suddenly picked up and the storyline has become very interesting now.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so
surely we'll definitely go on DMGs very, very, very soon.
Yeah.
कल या परसों ही जाती हूँ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल आप जाओ, and y'all please tell them, please convey कि हम इंडिया टीवी फोरम पे तो बिल्कुल पागल हो गए उन दोनों जोड़ियों पे. We are like all going full support for them.
Cool, great यार, great to hear.
और आप सुनाओ, मिले जब हम तुम 300 एपिसोड, आपके यहाँ बहुत मस्ती किया आप लोग जाके वहाँ पे.
हाँ, मिले जब हम तुमने 300 एपिसोड पूरे किए, प्लस it was more of like a fun, it was a party where none of us was there, only our cameraman was there, and I just was on the phone regularly with Arjun and this one. Please do some masti for our camera, na? Please do some masti. So he was very, very sweet enough to take the mic from him and did his stuff, and it was amazingly edited also, and it was nice. It was fun.
Okay.
It was really fun.
Good. Yeah, Arjun is absolutely lovely, very sweetheart. He also takes my calls all the time, and like he's so cute. I just really very nice.
Yeah. He tells me, Nishma, with the stuff you get me do, तुम मेरे से इतना सब काम कराती हो, नाटक करवाती हो, तुम मेरे से ये करो वो करो, अच्छा इसको ये करो, तुम्हें मुझे पेमेंट करना चाहिए हर एक इंटरव्यू का. I said, your boss, you have to do this because you have such a great fan following. You have to do this for SBS and you have to do this for MGHT. So Arjun के साथ मेरा वैसा friendly, he's very friendly to us.
Yes, he is.
Sometimes teasingly he says कि यार अभी मुझे पेमेंट करना चाहिए तुम्हें हर एक इंटरव्यू का. Please, boss, sit at home. We are not going to pay you for any interview.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
You should do free stuff for us.
आपका हक बनता है निशिमा, उनसे सब करवाना प्लीज आप.
हाँ, बिल्कुल कराते रहेंगे.
हाँ, कराते रहिए और हम लोग को एंटरटेन करते रहो जैसे आप कर रहे हैं ऑल द टाइम. बिल्कुल. And then we are also like now trying to talk to Jay Bhanushali, Nishima, and then so we would also.
I just met him today.
Oh, did you?
I met him today.
Acha, so how is he doing? Yeah, that's a lovely show again.
It was great because Salman had come on the show today. So
right.
I was like, I met Jay also, and he was really lost, you know. Salman was there, and he was feeling very, very, very shy type, you know.
अच्छा.
और बड़ा nervous feel कर रहा था, and but everything was fine when the show rolled and stuff.
Okay.
So it was great. It was great.
Good.
I met him today only.
Good.
And he was wearing a beautiful silver jacket, and you know, he said that we should do some interview, you know, some interesting interview sometime. मैंने कहा, yeah, let's take you to Matheran. Let's take you outside somewhere, you know. We can do some interesting stuff, you know, with you or Soumya. Both of them, the anchors of the DID.
Right. That is so good. Yeah, and Jay Bhanushali also has done quite a lot of variety of things. Like he's been hosting shows, he's been doing reality shows, he's been doing all sorts of things, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's good. So we would love to. You will also talk to him, and then he has his own fan following, and that will be nice to interact with him too. So
yeah.
And और अच्छा अबीर का बोलो जी, नया शो जो कर रहे हैं अभी गौरव खन्ना, वो सेट्स पे जाते हो आप?
हाँ जाते हैं कि प्यार ना होगा कम.
हाँ.
या हम लोग जाते रहते हैं सेट पे, लेकिन सून अभी बीच में देवर लिटिल यू नो बैंक एपिसोड्स नहीं थे, वो सब चक्कर था.
अच्छा.
So we were not allowed on the set. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यू नो जब बैंक एपिसोड्स नहीं होते हैं, जैसे आज का जो है, कई बार टीवी इंडस्ट्री तो ऐसी वर्क करती है, जो आज शूट कर रहे हैं वो कल शाम को जाना होना है टाइप, इस तरह से हो गया है. कट टू कट शूट होता है.
राइट.
तो यू नो ये वाला शो थोड़ा सा कट टू कट है, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग you know we are not able to take out that time, you know, leisure time की स्टार हमें अच्छे से इंटरव्यू दे. We'll definitely do it very, very, very soon.
Okay.
The moment we get on the set.
Right.
Gaurav Khanna.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Thank you so much, Nishima. It's so kind of you to always listen to us, and I hope to see all of this on सास बहू साजिश बहुत ही जल्द. And आपको याद है निशिमा, आपका एक गाना बाकी है.
हाँ, एक गाना बाकी है, लेकिन कुछ और भी पूछना था आपको, कुछ और भी तो पूछना होगा. करण कृतिका फैंस, आर दे स्टिल देयर?
कौन से करण सिंह का शायद, आई थिंक दे आर, बट करण कृतिका का नो, वी हैवंट बीन हियरिंग एट ऑल, सो नहीं सुन रहे हैं उनके बारे में.
What else, Dolly, are people liking? You know, what else?
I think people are liking a lot of new shows. They are liking the Dance India Dance, and then they are liking this Gaurav Khanna ka new show. Then एक और show है, another one. I think I can't remember the name now. That is being liked. And माही वे एंड ऑल दिस डेली जो डेली डेली वीकली जो आ रहे हैं वो भी अच्छा है. एंड एक्चुअली इवन म्यूजिक मुकाबला बहुत ही बढ़िया. आई रियली लाइक दैट अ लॉट. So that is also, I mean, I think, you know, it is of much better quality, and the singers the songs as, you know, I don't want to compare it to Saregama, but like, I think I like this one much, much better. So.
Oh, great, yeah.
Yeah. So, and is the show doing well, Nishima?
Music Ka Mahamukabla?
Haan.
Yeah, it has picked up well now. Initially, it was not very, very great, but it has picked up right now.
Yeah, so
it has picked up well.
Good.
And since Shahrukh and other people, a lot of other people are coming to promote their films in the show.
Right.
You are sure to have a lot of masti and a lot of songs, no?
Right.
A lot of action to the show, because abhi Shahrukh is coming in Music Ka Mahamukabla.
Correct.
More stars coming.
My Name is Khan ka to full time promotions ho rahe hain. It looks really good. Kajol and he look so good together too. So, अच्छा ये जाने पहचाने से ये अजनबी, I think that is also a nice, cute show.
I just heard about this today only because it has outshined मिले जब हम तुम TRP की रेटिंग.
अच्छा, ओके.
हाँ, जाने पहचाने से ये अजनबी, मुझे आज ही पता लगा कि इसके रेटिंग मिले जब से भी ऊपर आ गए हैं, which is 0.7.
Okay.
So 0.6. This one is 0.7. and getting better.
Okay.
Like, reappointed. It is expected to even increase more in the coming weeks.
Okay.
So I was like, we have to do something for this show.
Right.
Because it is doing well.
Good. Yeah, it's a very cute storyline and I think so. Simple stories are always liked, isn't it, Nishima? And then they withstand all time. And ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है वो भी तो ठीक ही चल रहा है. I think they're also doing quite well, aren't they?
Yeah, they are actually.
And Karan Mehra is also very nice, very approachable. I've spoken to him. I spoke to his fiancée Nisha. उनकी लंबी इंटरव्यू ली मैं तो वैसे she was very very good.
Oh, that's great.
हाँ, so उनने भी कुछ acting school शुरू करी or they're starting something. I was told so.
Yeah, reel in, reel out.
Yes.
That's what they're doing.
Right. And अच्छा ये लोगों का क्या हो रहा है? रोका, Robbie and Kasturi.
Kasturi is doing a new show. दो हंसों का जोड़ा, as you guys know.
Okay.
दो हंसों का जोड़ा on NDTV, Imagine.
अच्छा.
And Robbie, that means Karan Patel, on the party, SBS party, he told me that he's doing films.
Okay.
For that matter, एक मराठी फिल्म किया है उसने अभी एक विक्रम भट्ट का अभी भी खत्म किया है. And he has been signed for another film. That's what he told me.
Okay.
So I'm sure you will see him very soon on the बड़ा पर्दा.
अच्छा.
He has some nice big बड़ा पर्दा plans for him.
Okay.
So like that.
Okay. And Rajiv Khandelwal?
Rajiv Khandelwal probably will come back with Sach Ka Samna season 2.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I share because it is coming back in March. Sach Ka Samna. So he will only present it as told to me by Rajiv only.
Okay.
कि हो सकता है मैं आ जाऊँ, हो सकता है मैं आ जाऊँ. He's still negotiating.
अच्छा.
So that is the key. I'm sure he'll be back.
Okay.
He was very, very popular.
Oh, yes, he was. And Kiss Desh Ka stars are still very popular. दोनों Prem and he, Aditi. I mean, what's that? Harshad and Aditi. Though it's again, is it back at 8:30 p.m. ये show या 2 बजे ही है?
No, अभी वही है 2:30 बजे का है उसका टाइमिंग. They have competition with us. उनका competition सास बहू और सास jokes apart, but 2:30 running successfully.
Yes, and they are still quite popular. The Jodi is very popular still, and
Ekta Jodis are always popular. Like Ekta Kapoor की जो जोड़ियां हैं उसको कोई हिला ही नहीं सकता. वो जोड़ियां जो बनती हैं वो सदा बहार, चाहे युग वृंदा हो, चाहे तुलसी मिहिर हो, चाहे पार्वती ओम हो, किसी सुजल हो, कुछ भी हो,
बिल्कुल
अरुण आरोही हो, क्या मतलब जोड़ी
बिल्कुल. करण नंदिनी हो या कुटुंब के प्रथम एंड गौरी हो, जो भी हो, बिल्कुल. That's right. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to ask about and what's happening, and then thanks, and I would love if you would go on to DMG sets and interview the new interns and उनका भी हौसला बढ़ाएं and then convey to them that fans are liking them, and definitely it will take maybe. And then the only thing, my thing is they should have called it another show instead of calling it Dil Mil Gaya. They should have just moved on and named it a different show, and then जैसे संजीवनी से दिल मिल गया बनाए, इसका भी नाम बदल देते तो अच्छा था शायद. Then people won't compare then, na? फिर ये इनका अपने standard पे they would have done things. So, बस तो एक line गुनगुनाओ जी आप. Lovely ringtone you have now. That's a lovely song from Pa.
Yeah, I wanted to sing this song only, but maybe next time.
Yeah, आप next time करके टाल रहे हो हर बार.
लेकिन अभी मैं थोड़ा सा हिचकिचा रही हूँ because I'm not very. I wanted to sing this song only and I promised you कि ये जो रिंगटोन है ना मेरी, यही गाना मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी next time you call me.
ठीक है, चलो. So rain check, we'll take that and
मुझे याद करना है मुझे. In fact, even I love the song.
Okay.
And I have to learn this song and definitely I'm going to sing it for you.
Okay. In the meantime, we'll dedicate this song for you. We'll play the song itself on the interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Nishima. Lovely talking to you always, every time. It's a pleasure, and you talk with so much from your दिल से. हमारा एक member है Doc Call करके. He is a big fan of yours, And he also हाँ पढ़े बहुत बड़े डॉक्टर है. He's a big doctor and he really likes you and he loves your interviews.
Oh God! Seriously, उनको मैं hi बोलना और बोल. Seriously, I want to wish him a new year and whatever.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Oh, will do. He will be really over the moon. I will convey to him. Thanks. पर वो खुद सुन लेंगे. अभी इंटरव्यू में आपने बोल दिया अपने ही मुंह से, वो खुद सुनेंगे. So I don't need to.
My best wishes with him and to all the fans of India TV Forums and all the fans of SBS on India TV Forums.
Yes.
And I wish all of you all a very, very happy New Year and a nice months to come.
Thank you, Nishima. Thank you so much, and you too have a wonderful year and a great decade too. New naya decade shuru ho gaya, and may you continue to rule all our hearts.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Please hold the line.
Yeah.
जुड़ी जुड़ी जा कहाँ कहाँ मैं जुड़ी जुड़ी इत्तेफाक से